Turn right.
a third
Then
adult.
Turn right.
All right, we're rolling.
All righty, let's roll it. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. We're the Vagabonds. I'm Jim.
I'm Amy.
And welcome back. I already said that, but you get 2 welcome backs. Welcome back, welcome back. Who remembers that show? Welcome Back, Carter?
Turn right.
Anyway,
First right.
what have we been up to?
Not really a whole bunch.
No. I think the last time you saw us, we were at Yosemite.
Yeah, we were in Yosemite. And which was amazing.
It was amazing.
If you've never done Yosemite National Park, you should definitely put that on your list to do.
I will say that the road getting, well, if you're pulling a trailer or you have a big rig, most of the ways getting in and out of there, it's pretty
Harry?
hairy. Yeah, it's quite windy, quite steep, but if you have the right equipment, you'll be all right. So, but yeah.
Yeah, a lot of switchbacks
A lot of switchbacks.
going up. I mean, at least the way we came anyways.
Yeah. But where are we at right now?
So we're at Soledad Canyon right now, 1,000 Trails.
Turn left onto
What,
Palm
about
Valley Road.
30 minutes from Santa Clarita? About an hour or more, depending on traffic, north of LA. So, we're still with Rob and Trish from Living Like Nomads.
Yep.
We've been doing a lot of gaming, playing games with them, doing some dominoes, some chicken foot, some Mexican train. So we've been keeping busy in the evenings doing that.
Yep.
We've played some cards, so we still have Chloe with us. She's going to be with us for the foreseeable future for right now.
Turn left onto
She's looking to try to find some online gigs, so if anybody knows of anything, let us know. What else?
I've went and done some jobs with Rob.
Yeah.
He's, as most of you know, him and we had actually all met at NRVTA over a year and a half ago. And Rob kind of, he took his business full on, and I mean, that's his livelihood. So he's been kind of sharing the wealth with me on that. So thank you, Rob. I greatly appreciate that, and get some learning out of it too. So, but yeah, it's been pretty good. What else? Seems like we go to the store every other day.
Yep, that's where we're on our way to right now, the grocery store.
Still.
Jim's favorite place.
Yes.
But his birthday is coming up right around the corner, and he has requested a cherry cheesecake, so
Yeah.
need to make sure I have those ingredients available to make that up.
For sure.
Let's see, what else?
What? Yeah, we've been here at this park for, what, a week now?
Yeah, it's not my favorite park. Like, it has potential to be great, but
It seems a little run down, and like the give a poo factor is like non-existent.
Yeah,
which is sad. It really is.
like, come out and pick up some trash or something. I don't know. We're kind of in the ghetto section. Thought maybe
we can call it.
we call it the ghetto section. It's fine. Those spots that are like back to back, and you share the center
The front
common
yard.
area with your neighbor, which great if you know your neighbor, if you're friends with them, but maybe not so great if you don't.
Or if they're a-holes.
Actually, our neighbor was fine, and
Yeah.
they left the other day, so now we have really nobody. But he did make a comment about we had our smoker out and our Weber little grill, and
You have too many grills.
he's like, "You got too many grills," and we're like, "Okay, like who doesn't travel, especially full-time RVers, with like a smoker and a grill?" We didn't even have the Blackstone
No, we
out. My
didn't.
God, he would have probably had a heart attack if we had had the Blackstone out. Anyways, it's all good.
It was a funny comment.
It's all good.
Yeah, and I've been doing some repairs on our own rig. When we were in Yosemite, they had a planned power outage, and it happened, and started the generator up, and it ran for, I don't know, maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes, and then it died, and I couldn't couldn't get it going again, and so I troubleshot that and got that fixed. If anybody's curious, it was a heat sensor, an overheat sensor that's in the generator that protects it. So I'm happy to have that up and running again. And actually, Brinkley has been really, really good about allowing me to hire a mobile tech. I hired Rob, of course, to come out and diagnose it. So we got a few more days here.
Yep.
And then we go to the other side of LA. We go to the south side.
Yep. To Wilderness Lakes, which we haven't been before. So we'll see how that Thousand Trails is. You know, any of you out there that have Thousand Trails, you know to manage your expectations. That's what we like to say. They're not all like TTO, that's for sure. But
that's one of the tools that we have in our toolbox that allows us to be able to afford this lifestyle and not have to punch a clock or anything like that. So
yeah, we did laundry and some of the washers were not working and some of the dryers were not working and the hot tub is empty, so that's not working. So,
you and Chloe went swimming the other day, though.
Well, we didn't really go swimming. We went up to the pool. We kind of put our feet in it. I mean, the pool was okay. It's cold, though. So, you know, once you get old, you don't want to jump in a pool that's only 68 degrees. That's too cold.
No, not when you got spoiled with like 85, 86, 7-degree pools.
Yeah.
Last year. No, but Chloe is actually out on a hike today. That's why she's not with us. She's on a hike with our friend Trish.
Yep, she's with Trish doing some waterfall hike. So I did just text her, told her we were going to the store if she needed anything. She said tanning oil. So she's, you know, being from living her whole life in the Pacific Northwest, she's about as white as snow.
Casper the Ghost.
So her goal is to get a little color under her legs and arms. So.
But how is that with Chloe with us?
So,
in our 3250, adding another human.
So our 3250 is not super huge, but what is nice about that is there is a bunk above.
A loft.
A loft. Well,
it's a loft bunk.
A loft bunk. It's not really. It's just a little bit bigger than a twin-size bed width. But long enough for her to have some drawers up there and keep some of her personal items up there. So we cleaned it all out and put a lot of our stuff in storage, which hopefully we don't regret because we did not bring our paddle boards. No. We left them in our storage unit in Washington. So.
And our e-bikes at a friend's
our e-bikes.
house,
so.
Which I'm kind of regretting that already, but. It is what it is.
But we had to make room for Chloe, and we could have brought the e-bikes. We would would have to bring them out every time we stopped so she could get back there to climb up the ladder to get in the bunk. But she's, I think, having fun.
I think the space is, as far as because the G3250 in the Brinkley, it's a smaller garage. It's only 6 feet long.
Right. It's not like
as wide as the trailer.
It's not like a traditional toy hauler where you got like those Happy Jack couches that come down and the queen size bed. So we have just that little loft bed, but. She seems to be doing just fine. I'm
jonesing to have my garage back, but that's okay. I'll make the sacrifice for right now.
And it's not a huge deal, but definitely having 3 people with only 1 bathroom can be a little hairy sometimes. A few times. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
But all in all, I
think it's working out really well. The floor plan is working out really well for the us three adults. And our Penny Girl, our dog.
Yeah.
I don't feel crowded at all.
No, I would say if you're thinking about a 3250 and you have, you know, maybe 1 kid, easily you could full-time live in that rig with 3 people.
Yeah, and I mean, just everybody has to have a limited number of clothes, and they can't bring their entire wardrobes. You know, you have to pare that down.
Right, because before we left, we did go through our closet and dumped out a bunch of our clothes and put into storage, which was fine. We didn't need them anyways. We hadn't with stuff
a lot of it we hadn't worn.
We brought and never used. So cleaned out the lower part of the upper closet floor where the washer and dryer would go if we had one. So she's got a hanging closet, and then we gave her a drawer in the bedroom, and the dresser, and a drawer. We have 4 drawers under the bed, and she's got one of those. So yeah, I think it's
working out pretty good.
I think it's working out pretty good.
She's been a great help.
Yeah.
She definitely does things for us and
Walks the
does
dog,
laundry.
feeds the dog, does laundry. She's gone on a job with you.
Yep, she went on a job with me, and she actually was a big help with that because she has the smaller hands, and she actually helped me with our generator too.
Yeah.
I couldn't get one of the screws out, and she was able to get back there with the little screwdriver and get it out. So.
And she is, well, we didn't really do it at Soledad Canyon, but we have made her a little ad basically just putting campground. You know, she's 21, so she can babysit, she can dog sit, so to earn a little bit of money for her, so see what we can find for her.
Yeah. I think it's going pretty good though.
Yeah. It's been fun having her.
Yeah, sure has. So yeah, what's our plans over the next several months then?
Well, we're in California to the end of the year, basically.
Yeah.
In about 2 miles, turn right.
For Thanksgiving, we're in the San Diego area.
Yep.
Christmas, we're in Palm Springs.
Yep.
Hopefully our other daughter, Hannah, will come out for Christmas. We can all be together. That'll be the first time in quite a while.
We are planning on going to the outdoors and RV show in Quartzsite, Arizona.
Yep.
In January. So if you plan on being there, let us know, and maybe we can hook up and
Yeah, hang out.
hang out a little bit.
All right, anything else?
I think that's about it for right now.
I think so
but
too.
I know I'm staying warmer and drier than I would be if I was still in Washington.
Yes, for sure.
I saw that it's quite wet and cool up there. But anyway, we really appreciate everybody watching. So please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and yeah,
We'll see you in a
we'll
couple
see
weeks.
you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye.